take that off and we have rolled fender lips. And welcome back, you guys. So it's time to finally give this baby its full body work. And I've been so busy, not only with the cars but just stuff here with the house. Whenever your homeowner thinks breaking, you gotta fix it, unless you want to pay to fix. But as y'all know me, I like to do things on my own. So anyways, gotta start getting rid of all this stuff. So this is the part that kind of sucks. So as y'all know, I have spent a lot of time basically working on this car, restoring the interior, you know, doing the trunk and all that stuff. And now basically I gotta tear all that apart because my brother's gonna be coming to pick up the car, and that means I have to remove the wing, the door panels, that rear trunk setup. I gotta remove the bumpers. As y'all can see, I have already removed the front bumper. See, it's no longer there. I removed it and I took the whole bumper apart. I took off the lights, the clips, the front lip, all of it. It's right here. See, it's in the back of my truck. So yeah, time to get it all taken apart. Honestly, kind of sucks just because, damn, it looks so clean. Put so much time and work into it, but it's okay. Just gotta take it out and then I'll put it back together once I get it back from my brothers. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, and just like that, the trunk setup is removed. I was going to remove the speaker, but I'm just going to leave it in there in case we want to jam out to some music once we're working on it. There's the rear setup. That's the right side, the left side that goes around the speaker box, and then that little box that encloses the battery. That is I think it's called the cowl panel. That's the panel that goes in between the windshield and the hood right there. I'm going to be removing all the plastics, like these plastics here, just to sand them down and maybe repaint them with some of that trim paint, make them look new again. So now I'm going to remove the wing. So sad, it looks so good. And can remove the wing and remove this. I don't know if you guys know this. Some of my new subscribers, this is in paint. Let's plasti it. crime scene. It's wingless. So, question. How many of y'all did I fool with this red plastic dip? How many of y'all thought it was actual paint? I mean, the car itself is not in great shape, so maybe you thought that was the paint. All right, guys, so now time to remove the rear bumper. Whew. And there you go. Not bad for my first time taking off a Supra bumper. So it's not too hard. Got some clips there, some clips here, bolts along the sides, some on the bottom, and then the big clip right under where the exhaust is supposed to be. But man, look how dirty this thing is. I mean, it is cake. So I'm gonna leave those foam pieces here. I'm gonna clean them out. I mean, I know it's behind the bumpers, but whatever. I mean, might as well. But there it is, you guys. That is the rear of a Supra without a bumper. Now I gotta do, I'm gonna take off these wheels. My brother told me he doesn't want these wheels on the car. I mean, the car's gonna be getting dusty and everything. Not only that, these are 28s, so it's gonna be really hard to wrap them. And now if I just put the other ugly black wheels in the back, it'll be easy to wrap them. So I'm just gonna remove the wheels, take off the door cards, and gotta get the mirrors off and the door handles off, and yeah, the headlights too, and those little lights. So a few more things. I'm just gonna leave it ready for my brother to come in the morning, load it up on the trailer, and let's go. Is that half a Supra? Huh?